are you going to do? Oh, what is this? Yaj, what is the opposite of open?
Close.
What is the opposite of fast?
Shut.
What is the opposite of over?
Under.
What is the opposite of wet?
Mommy, Daddy.
Oh, dirty nga. Oh, what is the opposite of wet?
Dry.
Dry. What is the opposite of clean?
Daddy.
Dirty. What is the opposite of big?
Mom.
Small. What is the opposite of hat? Yaj, what is the opposite of hat? Come on. Answer, Mommy. Do you know the opposite of hat?
Mommy, the ones.
Okay. What is that?
The ones.
What is the opposite of hat, Yaj? Come on. Uh-oh, no more battery. Low bat na. Battery. No more. What is the opposite of hat?
Go.
Cold. Okay. What is the opposite of far?
Yeah.
What is the opposite of hard?
Shut.
What is the opposite of dark? Yaj, do you know the opposite of dark?
Right.
Light. What is the opposite of on? Opposite of on.
Off.
Off. What is the opposite of stand?
Sit down.
Sit down. Very good. What is the opposite of quiet?
Loud.
Loud. What is the opposite of push?
No.
Come here. Yaj, what is the... Ate is sleeping. Quiet. Ate is sleeping. Come here, come here. Come here. Shh, don't make noise. Ate is sleeping.
Mommy, other.
Later, we will wake up.
I for other.
Wait.
Alex.
Wow, A for Alex. Ate
Mommy
Alex.
Mother.
Mother.
M for mother.
Very good. Ate Alex is asleep. What is the opposite? What is the gamot? What is the opposite of asleep?
Awake.
Awake. Very good. I will open this. What is the opposite of push?
Boo.
Very good. Yaj is smart. Yaj is smart. You cannot open the gamot. Uh-oh. What is the opposite of happy? Yaj. What is the opposite of happy?
Sad.
Sad. Uh-oh. Do not remove. What is the opposite of a lot? Don't eat. What is the opposite of a lot?
Little.
Little. Very good. What is the opposite of over? Yaj. What is the opposite of over? Let me open. Answer me first. What is the opposite of over?
Under.
Under. What is the opposite of up?
Down.
Down. Very good. Galing ni Yaj. Galing ni Yaj. Galing ni Yaj. Can you open it? Can you open? Can you open? No, you can't. No, you can't. What is the opposite of black? Huh? I will open this. What is the opposite of black? Uh-oh. Come on, you answer, mommy. I will open this one. Okay. What is the opposite of black? Hello. What is the opposite of black? Huh? Answer, mommy. Dali. Open na, oh, Yaj. What is the opposite of black? Answer, mommy, first. What is the opposite of black?
What?
White. Very good. What's that? What's that? Chirpy chip. What is that?
Birds.
Birds. You call the birds.
Birds.
You say good morning to the birds.
Come on.
You say hello.